Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie, I'm your friendly skincare fanatic. So if you're a skincare fanatic like me, then please hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the world to have you with me. In today's video, I'm going to be taking it back to basics and talking all about moisturisers, what they are and why do we use them. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so there are three different ways you can moisturise. Once you know the three different types, you can then start to choose moisturisers depending on your skin type. So the first is humectants. Now humectants draw water to the skin, so they will include ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, which can hold 100 times its weight in its own weight. Once you've added your humectant moisturiser, your skin should be plumper and a lot more hydrated. The second type is occlusive. Occlusives create a barrier, so they're more for, I would say, drier skin types. They create a barrier, so they lock the moisture in. So an occlusive moisturiser will generally include ingredients such as glycerin and petroleum jelly if you're going for a super thick moisturiser. I've got a couple of examples to show you, which I will do later on. So if you have really dry skin and some flakiness, then this kind of moisturiser is really good for you because, like I say, that barrier locks in the good and it keeps out the bad. So emollients are the third type of moisturiser, and these add a fatty or an oily lubricant to the skin. Just remember, humectants draw water to the top layer of the skin, whereas emollients fills in the cracks and helps to seal the water in. Occlusives provide a thicker barrier to lock that moisture in, so it's really good for drier skin types. So it's really important that your moisturiser is the right one for your skin type. So as we age, our skin loses our natural moisturising factors such as hyaluronic acid and lipids like ceramides. Hopefully we have a good skin routine and our actives and our moisturisers replenish those lost moisturising factors. So that's why it's really important to moisturise. So if you have oily skin, then you still need to moisturise. You still need to protect that outermost layer of your skin. You just aren't going to go for the richer, more heavier moisturising cream. If you have dry skin, then you will need to look at moisturisers that are thicker in consistency and have ingredients such as glycerin and hyaluronic acid, because they attract moisture to the skin and they lock that in. I have got two that I'm going to quickly talk about. The first one is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid. This is a really great moisturiser. It's super thick, as you can see there, but it doesn't have any greasiness. Okay, so it's absorbed really quickly into the skin. It's got great ingredients, glycerin and shea butter, so you've got that nice thick occlusive in there, which is a shea butter, and for sensitive skin, glycerin is a good active ingredient. This is £25. Okay, so it's a nice size. Okay, it's 170 grams or 6 ounces, so that is a really good buy from I got that from Look Fantastic or Cult Beauty, one of the two. I'll leave everything linked below. Personally, it absorbs too quickly on my skin, so I have found that I need to reapply it, and when I put my facial moisturiser on, that's it. I want to go about my day, put my makeup on and not feel that dryness or that tightness in my skin. So my second product that I have been using is the Dermalogica Intensive Moisture Balance. This is expensive, it's £68. I got this in the Caroline Hirons skincare kit, so I didn't actually realise how expensive this was until researching for this video, but it is £68 and that is for 100ml, so it is expensive. However, this is one of my favourite everyday moisturiser. So it's a really nice consistency, and as you moisturise, it does leave a slight layer on the skin. I really like to feel my skin moisturised and nourished, and the one thing that the Ultra Repair Cream doesn't do is it feels hydrated because my skin absorbs it really quickly, but it doesn't feel like it's tackling its dryness. So after I've used it like about half an hour later, I will feel like I need to apply some more. The Dermalogica I put on the whole day, my skin feels nourished, it feels moisturized, so I will always go back to this one. The Dermalogica has prebiotic Chlorella algae complex, which helps to rebalance the skin's natural microbiome and for healthy looking skin. It contains hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, so that's really good for sensitive skin, and it locks in the moisture and it keeps it there. So it's really important that you know the type of moisturizers that are out there and that you know your skin type, okay? So just remember your occlusives are for really dry areas. Emollients and humectants are usually combined, and that's good for various skin types. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite type of moisturiser is, and I will see you on the next This Mummy Knows.